It started with really understanding the customers, really understanding their needs, understanding the environments they're operating in, and what problems we're really trying to solve. If you take those questions and then turn them into good engineering solutions, and as a result of the whole thing, really strong products, that's how you build a good reputation in the market.
I think it's in Printronix DNA to design robust, long-lasting, high-durability products, and that has allowed Printronix to be successful in the industrial printing market.
The T8000 is another perfect example of taking the time to look at where we need to be compared to our competitors. Speed, functionality, user friendliness, the printer is second to none.
We're talking about the fastest thermal printer that we've ever made. Not only that, it supports PostScript and PDF printing, and in order to do that, you have to be fast.
We have significantly stepped up what we call our enterprise-grade feature sets in the area of ease of setup, ease of operation, ease of remote monitoring and maintenance after the fact. We have a whole wizard-guided setup procedure now, which actually helps customers to unpack the printer, fire it up for the first time, and go menu-driven through the setup of the printer overall.
When the user encounters a fault, for example, a ribbon out, we have a troubleshooting guide available for them to go step by step using the front panel to remedy that fault and to get their system up and running so that their production can continue.
When you actually really talk to customers, there's a couple of things which really come out what we stand for. First of all, that we are reliable and we are rugged. And what that really means for them is that we actually support their operations on a continuous basis.
Our products operate in warehouses, in areas where it's hard to control temperature and the environment. So it's extremely important that our products are able to work in those environments.
You have technology which actually can deal with dust. You have technology which actually can deal with huge variations of temperatures, from being very cold in the winter to very hot.
Validation is a key ingredient of supply chain. And this is where the T8000 plays a key role, because we have features that guarantee 100% barcode readability.
Being able to actually not only do a good job printing labels, but also being able in the critical areas to validate them is very important. And that's basically what our customers are expecting. They have global footprints of their factories, they have global footprints of their distribution centers, and they're expecting you that you can operate in those environments in a flawless way.
The T8000 is the only thermal printer that you are going to need. There is no other product in the market that can do what the T8000 can.